Gently fold in, mastering this essential cooking technique. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the world of cooking verbs, specifically focusing on the phrase, gently fold in. This term is often found in recipes, especially when making delicate dishes like mousses or cakes. Understanding this technique is key to perfecting your culinary skills, so let's get started. Gently fold in is a method used in cooking and baking. It involves combining ingredients carefully to preserve their texture. Typically, this technique is used when incorporating lighter, airier ingredients, like beaten egg whites, into a denser mixture. The goal is to maintain the airiness and avoid deflating the mixture. This technique is crucial because it helps to maintain the desired texture of your dish. For instance, when making a sponge cake or soufflé, keeping the air in the mixture results in a light, fluffy texture. If you mix too vigorously, you risk deflating the mixture, which can lead to a denser, heavier outcome. 1. Start with the right tools. Use a wide, flexible spatula for best results. 2. Add gradually. Introduce the lighter mixture to the heavier one in small amounts. 3. Use the right technique. Cut through the mixture with the spatula, then gently lift and turn it over. Imagine drawing a figure 8 with the spatula. 4. Be patient. This is a slow, gentle process. Avoid rushing or stirring vigorously. Overmixing. This can deflate the mixture, affecting texture and rise. Using the wrong utensil. A heavy or rigid utensil can crush the air bubbles. Adding all ingredients at once. This can make it difficult to incorporate gently. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and technique of gently folding in ingredients. It's a simple yet vital skill in both cooking and baking, ensuring your dishes come out as light and airy as intended. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.